Hi Sophia, this is your video lesson for this upcoming week. We're going to look at two things on here for this. We're going to look at some of the strumming patterns, or actually the strumming pattern that we're going to work on for, not Enter Sandman, what's that song called? The one we're working on, Lollipop. And also I'm going to play through the song Rockin' Blues. The tab is up on the website for you to listen to, for you to look at. I'm going to go ahead and play the song kind of slow just so you know what it sounds like. It's really straightforward. Some eighth notes in it, which we do are down, up picking, but I'll go through that as we play it, just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. And then I think you should be able to do it pretty easy. From there, what we can do is we can, when you play it for me this upcoming week, we can see how it sounds. And if there's any parts we need to work on, we can make a video further from there. But first, I want to go ahead and play some of the chords, or show the strumming pattern that we want to play here for our song, I forgot, it's not Enter Sandman, it's the same group, Lollipop. Okay, so let me kind of show that. I want to go down, up, down, down. So, I'm sorry, let me kind of go down, down, I'm sorry. Down, 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 down. I want to do, because I know when we were playing, we were just playing G, one strum down, E minor, one strum down, A minor, one strum down, and D, one strum down. I want to do two strums now, like half notes. So we could go like this. If we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, G2, G4, E minor 2, E minor 4, A minor 2, A minor 4, D2, D4 again. And you were doing really pretty with those chords last time we played. Keep up practicing. Remember that, well in your case how you're doing it, open, 4th string. You want to play it faster, but I'm not so much concerned with the speed as much as just getting the chords sounding, the switches really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G2, G4, E minor 2, E minor 4, A minor 2, A minor 4, D2, D4, Lollipop. So that's all I really want to work on, is just kind of strumming a little bit more. Strumming each chord twice, and then, excuse me, strumming each chord twice, but I don't care if you're going really slow, I just want to get that going. And you were doing really good. And remember, you can use that same practice we did if you're still having trouble with the D chord, which you're doing very good with, where you just go open D, 4th string, 1st finger on A, 3rd finger on the 2nd string, same thing we were doing. Open D, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret of the 1st string. Open D, A, D, F sharp, D, A, D. And that'll get those fingers loosened up so when you play, it's nice and pretty. So you were doing really great with those chords. Just keep up with doing what you're doing. We're going to play them a little more, and then eventually we'll speed it up so we're late. And get the strumming. That's our ultimate goal, but for now we're going to work slow, okay? We're going to go slow, that's okay. Remember, we start slow, then we go fast. Okay, keep practicing that. You're doing great. Very, very good. So now I want to play through the song Rockin' Blues. I'm going to play it really slow, and I want to point out there's a new note in here that we just learned. It's C sharp. Much like the F sharp, you remember how F was right here, or I could actually use the first string as an example. And F sharp is right here. We just go up one fret. The same idea is what we do with C sharp. Where C, I can play it in two places right now. We have it on the second string first fret. C sharp is on the second string second fret. So we take our second finger right here on that second string on the second fret. And we just play that. That's C sharp. In rock and blues, that's the place where it plays C sharp. I want to show you one other one, even though it's not in this song, is on the fifth string. We know it's the third fret. That's a C. So if we go one fret higher, that's on the fifth string fourth fret. That's another C sharp. We don't have to play that right now. Don't worry about it. That's just for your information. Right now, we're just going to include this C sharp in the song. So I'm going to play it really slow. I'm not really going to call out the notes. I'm just going to play it and just give you an idea of what it sounds like on here. I want you to play through it, and like I mentioned, if there's problems where we have certain areas you're having trouble, we can work on that. But let's go ahead and play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty straightforward song. A lot of what you'll be using is the second finger going between that C sharp and the A on the third string second fret. There's also some open notes. Really, a couple times you'll use D. That's on the second string third fret, but for the most part, it's just using your second finger on the second and third string, and then some open strings with B and D. It's a really simple song. I think you can get this one fast, and we can go fast. That's where we'll eventually get with it, but for now, practice it very slow. The tab is already up there on your sheet music section for you to practice. So really, those are the only two things I want you to work on this week, your chords, and then rock and blues. If you have any questions or anything, let me know, or let your mom or dad know, and they'll let me know, and I'll get back to you. And if there's no questions, then have fun practicing, and I'll see you this upcoming Sunday. Bye, Sophie.